We just received the XHORSE new key tool plus a key programming device. I ordered some for stock and for sale, but I just now YouTube videos from the device. So the first unboxing and the first switch on of the device we will do together with our YouTube community. Yeah. So let's have a closer look. Actually, I like the design of the case. Here we have for accessoire. We have I say you can
directly put the cables and
everything inside. So this design could be German, very efficient. So here we have the device itself.
That's the most important part.
Yeah, the device, you see, we never switched it on. It's the first time. Before you think you get a used device from us to sell, this is our device for our seminars and courses. So this is not a problem. Actually, I don't know if you can see it, but I like the resolution of it. So it also makes sounds.
Doesn't seem like a cheap tablet.
Automotive key expert. Oh, now we
go for
Chinese or Japanese.
French, maybe Italiano. We can go for German, but we will go with English normally.
English, United States or United Kingdom.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I guess we
will go for UK. I don't care. License.
You have to read the license agreement, but anyhow, nobody's reading it actually.
Yeah, maybe inside there's something like you win 10,000 euro if you tell us. Please select Wi-Fi. That's good. I don't know our password.
I also don't know it, but
I know what it is.
I think we have the sheet for our password downstairs in the seminar room. I hope so.
I hope so.
Otherwise, we have to make a cut and come back with the password. Like I told you, we never switched it on. So we do a cut and
after putting in the Wi-Fi password, my user account and everything, we can hopefully start to use it. Thank you for using KeyTour Plus. Let me introduce you to this machine before you use Start. Wi-Fi switch, blah blah blah, Flashlight. Wir haben eine Flashlight.
Ja, ich.
Das. Ich habe ja gar nicht hinten gesehen, mit schönen.
No.
Ach, das ist. I switched to German, sorry.
No, I guess this is the
Exit desktop. Yeah, it's just the explanation first, then you can do special functions, setting device, main function area. It's actually quite nice to give you a complete rundown.
So if you start the device, first of all,
you get a small tutorial.
You get a small tutorial and you should use it and read it carefully.
Yeah, just like me, just tapping everything. We already made many functions for the KeyTour Plus. Let's use now Start. So
first version
to install and update.
This is what I like.
It's always going to 100% and then needs longer than it needed to go to it. Okay. Current device is not need to be synchronized. We will cancel it for now.
Because we just want to have a first look. And so, you see, now you have, or we can see the different things. We can do transponder cloning. We can do generate transponder, remote program. Remote program means
the universal remote.
The universal remote from XHORSE. So the key tool Max is also should already be included.
Cutting keys, so we can use Dolphin XP005.
Yeah, we can connect the key machine with it.
We can go for IMO programming to program via OBD.
Here we see some.
All brands, China, Europe. We can filter by area. We can filter by brand.
Actually, please now we didn't try it.
Yeah,
There
so
are
we
many
don't
brands
know.
inside. We don't know if these brands are definitely working.
Normally it should be some Volkswagen, I think. Let me check. This is Volkswagen. Automatic diagnose model. This is good, so you don't need exactly to know which car. We can also select the type, which IMO version we want to program. But normally I think the most people will use the automatic diagnose models.
Yeah, but to get more detailed, we have to test it.
Yeah.
So our key programming department and support department will test the device. And I also actually don't know for how much we will sell it.
You also have the photo version, so you can scan the VIN number to get more information about the car. These are all functions they told us would be inside, so this is why I wanted to check it. Normally also with XP005, the key cutting machine, you can do a picture of a car key and decode the coding by the picture. So I think as it has a camera directly built in, it should also be able to do that.
Yeah, so first look, for me, it looks very professional. It does not look like a Chinese device. So this was the device. Please let us know if you want to have a second
Look at it.
After testing it. So please write it into the comments and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.